Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace, then I need to figure out how to use it in my home.
And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects.
This season, I'm in my garage because I've been spending so much time outside painting and doing projects. Let's see what's in the bag this week. There's not a lot in here. What do we have? Clark&Kensington paint and primer, interior exterior high gloss enamel. I think I might have a great idea on how to use this, but let's take a look at the color. Ooh, it's definitely a black gray color. I know exactly where I can put this. So follow me and I'll show you. We've recently had some work done around the house, and with these new window trims, this is a perfect opportunity to introduce a new color. I love that I've been chipping it away at all of these outdoor projects. Check the weather forecast and choose a day when temperatures will stay between 50 to 80 degrees. Hotter than that, the paint can dry too quickly, which can affect the quality of the finish. You'll want to pick a day without rain or wind. No matter how careful you are, painting on a windy day will lead to unwanted paint splatter, requiring more work. I still have some left, so I think I'm going to continue on to the door trim. For the second coat, you must wait 24 hours before applying. And you'll want to apply it in a perpendicular direction from the first. I love the way that turned out. And how cool was it that I had leftovers of my leftovers to paint the trim around my front door? That dark color is very trendy right now and transformed the front of my house. If you do this project at home, I need to know about it. So make sure to use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace. If you like that front door, stick around, it's coming up next.